Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Linda, and did you know that you are a special vessel? Yes, you are. So in this video, I will be just moving my dining. This is where my dining room used to be. I just move it to the kitchen, so I'll set this place a little bit nicer, put a bookshelf there, and then have it like a reading place, a place where you can sit and have a drink, and it's just making it a little bit wider than the main living room. So I just started by moving the plants, taking the plant to the kitchen, and I'm vacuuming the place. The next thing I'm doing here is I just want to make sure any grease on the floor or anything that stick to the floor will be removed. So I just get some hot water. I didn't even know the water was this hot. I'm just watching them like, oh my god, it's so hot. But it's good because it's gonna take anything on the floor and need to make the floor really clean and make the floor smell really nice. So all I'm doing here is just to do the mopping. Yes, just make sure the place is really clean, so I can continue setting the place together. Like I said, this place used to be the dining hall, and then we also have the kitchen. There's a big space at the kitchen. I decided, hey, why don't I just move the dining table to the kitchen? So once I'm done with mopping, I got a very pretty carpet. This rug or carpet is coming from Costco. It's so beautiful. I love the texture, I love how it looks, and I love that is really white. I was planning to paint the wall, but I think the texture, the design on the wall is just pretty nice, and I want the entire house to be white, so I'm leaving it like that for now. After laying the rug nicely, I just decided again to continue to vacuum. Make sure I vacuum the new rug so it looks pretty. So I'm using my Shark Cordless Pro to vacuum. This vacuum really well. You can easily make your pattern, and it's just lightweight and it does the job both on a rug or on a hard floor. So I decided to bring my chair, the accent chairs. We got this from Wayfair, 2 pieces, and I love how the chair and the carpet have that gray and then the gold touch, and just making it very simple and nice. If you know me, I love it to be a little bit of minimalism. I don't want a lot of things all over me because it's just a little bit hard for me to keep when I have things all over. So I just want to keep it very simple, classy, and nice. Yeah, I say it's time. Let me celebrate myself. So I put the chairs and everything. And guess what? I'm bringing the plants back. I said, I think the plants will add and make the place nice. So why don't I bring the plants back? So yeah, here. That's me trying to fix the plant. You see, it's adding a little bit of green to the place, and you can see that the place is all coming together. Like I said, I love it to be simple, classy, and nice. You will love it when you see the end product. Yeah, so this is how my end product is looking like. I set the chairs, and at the other side I face the shelf nicely, put the books in there. I did not capture the books well, but we have a tons of books there for you to sit down, read, and like you can see, this makes the entire living room so beautiful. So yeah, let me know what you think about this little reading area, a little bit separate from the living room, the main living room. Let me know how they think about this. Leave your comment there if you like it or not. So yeah, and you know what, just stay blessed, keep doing you, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.